Ready? Three, two, one, start. We have come a long way in the fight against Corona. With the passage of time, the economic activities have also picked up gradually. Most of us are stepping out of our homes to discharge our responsibilities and to give momentum to life again. We must not forget that even though the lockdown has been lifted, the virus is still present. We must not allow the stable situation that India has been able to achieve with the effort of every Indian. We have to improve further. The recovery rate in the country has improved a lot and the fatality rate is low. India is succeeding in saving the lives of more and more of its citizens compared to the other countries of the world. Today, lakhs of beds are available for corona patients in our country. Our doctors, nurses, healthcare workers, security personnel, and other people are serving such a large population selflessly. Amidst all these efforts, this is not the time to be careless. This is not the time to assume that the corona is not there anymore or that there is no danger from the corona now. In recent times, we have all seen various pictures and videos in which it is clear that many people have now stopped taking precautions or have become too careless. This is not good at all. If you are careless and are walking out without a mask, then you are putting yourself, your family, and your children in a lot of trouble. Keep in mind, be it America or the countries in Europe, corona cases were declining in these countries, but suddenly the cases are increasing again. Do not be negligent until success is attained. Until the vaccine against this virus is available, we must not let our fight with corona weaken. After several years, we are seeing that the work is being done all over the world to save humanity. Many countries are working towards it. There has been special emphasis to ensure supply of oxygen and ventilators. Scientists of our country are also working hard for vaccine. Work is underway on several vaccines. Some of these are at advanced stages. Government is also preparing to look for ways to deliver the vaccine to every Indian as soon as possible and the work on ensuring delivery of the vaccine to every citizen is being done at a fast pace. Fire, enemy, mistakes, and diseases should never be considered small. These should not be taken lightly. We are passing through a difficult time. A little carelessness can hinder our progress and spoil our happiness. Be mindful of social distancing, frequent washing of hands with soap, and wearing a mask. And it is my humble request to all of you because I want to see you and your family happy. I also want to request my media friends and those who are active on social media that the more public awareness campaigns you create, the greater service you all will be doing to the country. You must support us and support the crores of people of the country. We should spare a thought for the lockdown period. During the lockdown, we closely came to know about those members of society without whom our lives would be miserable. Sanitation workers, domestic workers, local vegetable vendors, milkmen, security guards, etc., have the significance of their roles in our lives. During the moment of crisis, they were with you and they stood by all of us. I urge you to ensure that you should make them a part of your celebrations. Treat them as members of your own family, and you will see that your joy will rise by leaps and bounds. We must also think of our brave soldiers who are firmly on our borders. They are all in the service and security of India. We have to celebrate our festivals bearing them in mind. We have to light a lamp at home in honor of these brave sons and daughters. I would also like to assure our brave soldiers that despite being away at the borders, the entire country is with them. I also salute the sacrifice of those families whose sons and daughters are on the border. I express gratitude to each and every person who is away from home and family on account of discharging duty to the country. People working in public life have a special vision. As far as the vaccine is concerned, there have been discussions regarding the status and distribution of vaccine. What the media says is quite different. Since we are part of the system, we will have to move ahead. The situation has become somewhat clear. There was a time when all of us were faced with the challenge of fighting an unknown force, but the collective efforts of the country took the challenge and kept the losses at minimum. Everybody was in panic. Initially, there were also incidents of suicides. A few of them committed suicide after they came to know that they have been infected with corona. Afterwards, people became aware of it and they went for isolation and quarantine and requested others to follow as well. In a way, people themselves began to convince others. You must have noticed that people became more serious and alert. When the recovery rate of corona has improved, people realized that this virus is not causing damage. Many people have begun to think that they will recover even if they fall ill. Because of this, there has been negligence all around, and therefore, ahead of festivals, I had requested everybody with folded hands that we made mistakes and it became a threat. We have to make the people aware about the seriousness of corona. Initially, we had to impose some restrictions because we had to develop arrangements and had to educate people also. Now we have a team which is prepared and people are also ready. We will have to see that it does not spread further and there is no new problem. We do not have to let this situation return. Stop. ये हमने 108 की स्पीड से लिखा है कोरोना के ऊपर, बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट मैटर.